How to view your drafts on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your drafts on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then just click these three lines on the top, and here you will find the drafts. Just click this one, and as you see here you can view your drafts on Likee app just by clicking drafts here. And I don't have any drafts, that's why there is nothing here. And you can edit it, click edit, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.